Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, what's really out there? Not just the stars we see, but what lies at the very edge of everything we know. Today, we're embarking on an epic journey, a voyage through the observable universe, all the way to the cosmic horizon and beyond. So buckle up, because things are about to get mind-bendingly huge. Let's start right here. At home, our planet Earth feels enormous, but it's just a tiny speck in our solar system. The Sun, our star, is over 100 times wider than Earth. If you could fly a commercial jet to the Sun, it would take you about 17 years. But even our Sun is just one of at least 100 billion stars in our galaxy, the Milky Way. This magnificent spiral of stars, gas, and dust stretches about 100,000 light-years across. A light-year is the distance light travels in a year, which is nearly 6 trillion miles. So, just across our own galaxy would take a beam of light 100,000 years. Think about that for a second. Now, let's zoom out further. The Milky Way isn't alone. It's part of a collection of galaxies called the Local Group, which includes our neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. Andromeda is actually hurtling towards us and is predicted to collide with the Milky Way in about 4.5 billion years. Don't worry, you won't need to update your insurance policy just yet. The Local Group itself is just a small corner of an even bigger structure, the Virgo Supercluster. This supercluster contains over 100 galaxy groups and clusters and is about 110 million light-years in diameter. We are just one tiny household in a massive cosmic city. And these superclusters, they form even grander structures. Imagine giant filaments of galaxies and dark matter, stretching across hundreds of millions of light-years surrounding vast, almost empty regions called cosmic voids. This is the cosmic web, the large-scale structure of the universe. It looks a bit like a sponge or a neural network, with bright strands of galaxies connecting at dense nodes. Our Virgo Supercluster is just one thread in this immense cosmic tapestry. It's truly humbling to realize our place in this grand design. As we continue our journey outward, pushing further and further away, we approach the edge of what we can see. This boundary is called the observable universe. It's a sphere with us at the center, and its edge is about 46.5 billion light-years away in every direction. Now, you might be thinking, wait, isn't the universe only about 13.8 billion years old? How can the edge be 46.5 billion light-years away? That's a fantastic question, and the answer lies in the expansion of space itself. Since the Big Bang, space has been stretching. So, the light from the most distant objects we can see has traveled for 13.8 billion years to reach us. But during that time, the very space that light was traveling through has expanded. The object that emitted that light is now much, much farther away, about 46.5 billion light-years from us. This edge of the observable universe is called the cosmic horizon. It's not a physical wall, but a boundary in time. Beyond it, there's light from objects that simply hasn't had enough time to reach us yet. So what's at the very edge of what we can see? It's not a galaxy or a star. It's a faint, uniform glow called the cosmic microwave background, or CM. This is the afterglow of the Big Bang itself, the oldest light in the universe. It was emitted when the universe was just a baby, only about 380,000 years old. Before that, the universe was a hot, dense soup of particles and radiation, so dense that light couldn't travel freely. The CMB is literally a snapshot of the infant universe, a baby picture of everything that exists. When we look at the CMB, we are looking as far back in time as it's possible to see. This brings us to the ultimate question: what lies beyond the cosmic horizon? What's outside our observable universe? The honest answer is, we don't know for sure, but we have some fascinating theories. The most straightforward idea is that the universe just keeps going. It's likely much, much larger than what we can see, possibly even infinite. If that's true, then just by the laws of probability, everything that can happen, has happened, is happening, and will happen somewhere out there. Imagine infinite copies of you, some making slightly different choices, living out parallel lives in distant, unreachable parts of the cosmos. Another mind-blowing theory is the multiverse. Our universe, with its specific laws of physics, might just be one bubble in a vast cosmic foam of other universes. Each bubble could have sprouted from its own Big Bang and could have completely different physical laws. In some, gravity might be stronger. In others, there might be different fundamental particles. It's an idea straight out of science fiction, but it's a serious concept that many physicists are exploring. The idea that our entire existence is just one possibility among an infinite sea of others is perhaps the most profound thought of all. So, from our tiny blue planet to the fiery glow of the Big Bang, and into the speculative realm beyond our cosmic horizon, we've taken an incredible journey. The universe is vaster, more complex, and more mysterious than we can ever fully comprehend. Every star in the sky is a potential sun for another world. Every galaxy is an island of billions of stars, and our entire visible cosmos might just be a single grain of sand on an infinite beach. It reminds us that there's always more to explore, more to learn, and more to wonder about. Thank you so much for joining me on this voyage through space and time. If this cosmic journey blew your mind, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures into the unknown. What part of the universe fascinates you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, keep looking up.